Kids are heading back to school this week, but it's not so bad.
It really isn't as far as temperatures go. We're in the middle 90s. It could be so much worse, and it has been for that first week of school. And as we take a look back at records, there have been years where we were starting off well into the triple digits. We're in the middle 90s right now. It does feel like the triple digits when you factor in that humidity, so keep that in mind as you head out and about. But overall, temperature-wise, things are not looking too bad. Now, something I do need to talk about, because this may impact you for back-to-school plans, mainly as the kids return from school in the afternoons. And that's going to be the chance for a few showers. We've seen them today. Most of those at this point are off to our northeast, places like Mineola and Sulphur Springs, where we're still dealing with some isolated pockets of shower activity. Now, we'll see the return of this as we head into tomorrow. An isolated shower chance during tomorrow's morning drive, but notice most of that fizzles as it gets closer to North Texas, diving out of the panhandle. We get into tomorrow afternoon, and it's that scattered shower activity during the afternoon and evening hours. This is as we remain wedged to between a disturbance to our northwest and one to our east. That'll be a similar setup as we get into Wednesday as well. So it'll be those afternoon showers and those evening showers as well. Plan for those as the kids return from school on Wednesday afternoon. Very spotty activity through that time frame. Now, as far as those shower chances go, we're talking 30 to 40% coverage, mainly during the afternoon and evening time frames. That'll be for tomorrow and Wednesday. And then we'll start to dry out as we get into the end of the week. But our setup, this ridge of high pressure that's been dominating our forecast the last several weeks, has moved off to the west. This has allowed a little bit of weakening and a trough to move in from our northwest. So that is part of the reason we are seeing some of this shower activity. We're also seeing showers coming in off of the Gulf, some of that sea breeze activity that we'll keep an eye on as we get through the middle of this week. We're also keeping a very close eye on the tropics. Out into the Atlantic, things are getting much more active, which is common this time of the year. Peak hurricane season arrives officially September 10th. And as we get closer, those sea surface temperatures start to warm. This is what we're looking at. Notice a couple of yellow blobs. We've got this one in the Gulf, not expecting tropical development there. We've got a couple of areas in the northern Atlantic. Again, those low end 10% chances of development. But the spot to watch, that's going to be this one here. That is Tropical Storm Erin. Right now, tropical storm, but that is expected to become our first major hurricane and our first hurricane of the season as we get through the next few days. Here's this upcoming Friday. Notice the red, that's the American model. The blue is the European model. Both of those models bring this just to the north of Puerto Rico, and then they cause that to start to turn more to the north and to the east. That would be good news for the United States. That's as we get into a week from today, next Monday. It's an area to keep a close eye on because that is still a distance away. There's still a lot of time for some movement there, so we'll keep an eye on it. Back close to home, though, we settle into the middle 90s as we get through the next few days. Those isolated storm chances during the afternoons. We start to dry out end of the week and this weekend with temperatures back close to normal in the upper 90s by Friday, guys.
All right, McKenna, thanks so much.